Hey builders, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat with the kid reporters of LEGOLAND New York Resort.
On this show, we share the latest happenings of the ultimate LEGO theme park destination coming out in Goshen, New York.
For our first episode, we're going to be chatting about something new coming into 2021.
The Lego Factory Adventure Ride.
Woohoo! We're so excited to talk about this cool attraction with you.
That's right, Mimi. So what exactly makes the Lego Factory Adventure Ride so awesome? Well, we're going to give you 5 reasons why. Daniel, why don't you start?
Thanks, Abby. So the first reason why the LEGO Factory Adventure Ride is so awesome is that it's the first of its kind.
Yeah, the technology inside the ride has never been done before, which means it's exclusive to LEGOLAND New York Resort.
I still can't believe that. Like, how cool is it that the Lego Factory Adventure Ride has never been anywhere else?
It's super cool. I'm so excited to ride it.
Me too, Matt. Next, let's go on to reason number 2 why the Lego Factory Adventure Ride is so amazing. Julio, why don't you take this one?
Okay, so the second reason is the ride doesn't even have a track.
Seriously?
Yeah, Matt, isn't that crazy?
It blows my mind that the ride vehicles have trackless technology. Let me pull up the video. Look at how cool that is.
They move so smoothly too. It's so satisfying to watch.
Agreed. Now the third reason why the Lego Factory Adventure is so awesome is that you get a brick's eye view of how Lego bricks are made.
That makes you feel like you shrunk down to the size of a Lego brick.
Look how small you'll be on the ride. How cool is that? Like, amazing.
It'd be so cool to be that size and traveling through the LEGO factory.
Yeah, and I can't wait to meet who's going to be taking us through the Lego factory.
Yes, Professor Brick. He's my favorite, which is the fourth reason why Lego Factory Adventure is so awesome.
I love Professor Brick too, Mimi. Here, let me pull up a picture to show you guys. He is so crazy and fun and a great tour guide.
Yes, Professor Brick is pretty cool. But now let's get to the fifth reason why the LEGO Factory Adventure is so awesome.
This is probably the best reason, actually. Matt, would you like to tell everyone?
Yes. The 5th reason is the ride turns you into a minifigure.
That is so amazing. I can't believe I get to watch myself turn into a minifigure before my very eyes.
Yeah, and if I raise my arms like this, the LEGO minifigure does that too.
If you have brown hair, your minifigure will have brown hair. If you have glasses, your minifigure will have glasses too.
I'm so excited to see what I look like on the ride.
Same here. And there you have it, builders, our top 5 reasons why the LEGO Factory Adventure Ride is going to be awesome.
If you have different reasons why the Lego Factory Adventure Ride is so awesome, let us know in the comment section below.
Yep, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for the next time we have a hot chocolate chat.
And give our video a like.
Thanks again for watching.
See you next time.